In this video, we will show the best personal blenders available to buy. At number 10. Stock Personal Smoothie Protein Shake Blender. It has quick and convenient one-touch blending action. Powerful heavy-duty motor for ice crushing, reusable 600 ml sport bottle 250 watts, operating voltage 220 volts. At number 9. Koala Mate Portable Electric USB Juicer Bottle Blender. This little body lightweight design is easy for you carry it to school, office, parks, camping anywhere you want to. And it also convenient for charge by power bank, laptop, computer, car or other USB devices. At number 8. Skyflag Shaker Plastic Powerful Personal Blender. It is quick and convenient one-touch blending action. Powerful heavy-duty motor for ice crushing. The plastic is food-grade plastic, CE certified. At number 7. Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. The compact design ideal for small living spaces and on-the-go portability. It is great for making smoothies, shakes, baby formula, marinades and salad dressings. At number 6. Koryo Personal Blender. The 400W powerful motor for faster blending. Two 550 ml Tritan bottle jar with drinking lid, 600 ml blender jar, 300 ml small jar for grinder. At number 5. Amazon brand Lemo Personal Blender. A powerful 450W motor helps crush and mix ingredients to make the best smoothies, puree and protein shakes. No spillage sports jar act as blender jar as well as carry-away bottle. At number 4. CLOMANA Personal Mini Automatic Rechargeable Juicer Bottle Blender. It is safe. The juice blender uses food-grade non-toxic PP and ABS materials, and the stainless steel blade, sturdy scratch-resistant, is more durable, cleaner and safer. At number 3. American Micronic Personal Blender. It makes healthy protein shake and tasty juices, smoothies, shakes. Compact and consumes less space as compared to the bulky food processors and mixers. At number 2. DUVERRA Powerful Nutri Fresh Personal Blender. The sharp stainless steel blades extracts the most out of your food, provide you with the most nutritious and delicious smoothies. At number 1. Whipsip Personal Blender. It is powerful 300W motor and special angled and designed blades. You never have to worry about BPA, plastic tastes or odors leaching into your food.